typical educators would be would be worried about how to address the needs of so many levels in the room. We've got folks who are just starting their career, folks who have finished their first year, and we got folks with 30 plus years of experience in the same room. We would have to do some ability grouping. There's got to be a low group here, and I don't have a low group version of this. I'm telling you, this is how human beings work best. In heterogeneous groups, but we draft off each other. And so one of the paths to equity is this. You can't have students being taught below grade level all year long and seek out equitable practice. They fly in the face of one another. They cannot coexist. And that's not how human beings learn best.